Okay, Charles LeBlanc here. We're in front of the legislator. You know, the legislator, the people's house, where everyone is treated equally. You know, natives, visible minorities, Acadians, gays, transgender. Did I forget any? And you know what I mean. Oh yes, welfare bums. Welfare bums are supposed to be treated equally, but we know that's not the case because this is the legislature, and Fredericton is known to be a snobbish city. Now, we all know what happened to me in the courts. We all know that when I was charged for that idiotic so-called poet, when he attacked me on the street, and we know how the cops turn around. I'm not going crazy there. It's okay. So anyway, doing a rant. So anyway, we know the cops and the government, they're against people on social assistance. And we know what happened with my trial, and we know that I had no right to a lawyer, and they have a special team of prosecutors that they call to go against the less fortunate. So, what happened? I put a complaint to the Justice Department, to Serge Roussel. There's two complaints I put. One is the way my case was handled. They took a cop from the Miramichi police, Shane Henderson, now works for the Fredericton Police Force. You know, something crooked was done there. And there's the issue of the Edmundston police that grabbed me beside the legislator on November 8th. And then they said I called police officers pedophiles 5 years ago, which there is. I'm going to put a complaint. A cop sexually abused me, but that's another story. I'll do that next week. Now, of course, we know that people on social assistance don't have a voice. See, they take these welfare bums, put them in jail, kill them, and then they say, well, under the Privacy Act, we're not allowed to tell you what happened. So I put a complaint, and I'm not optimistic of the Justice Department to take my complaint seriously. Now, guess what I got? Voila. I received, about an hour ago, a registered letter from the Justice Department. Now, they're going to say, oh, we're reviewing your concern. Your concerns are very, very serious. And, you know, we want everybody to be treated equally in front of the courts, or the law, or the cops, or whatever. So this is from the Justice Department, not the Attorney General. Justice, Denis Landry. Wonder what he has to say. Any drums here? They only put drums when they execute somebody. Oh, maybe it was anthrax. Any powder in here? From the government, you gotta be careful. No, and no money. That's a cheap shot. Anyway, whatever. Okay, let's see. Let's see what the bad news is in this case. What the hell is this? Judicial District of Fredericton, Courts of Queen Bench. Motion day. My God, look at this. Now, why would they send me this now? On February 6th, motion day, Judy Clembending. At night? What the hell? This is for my lawsuit. I was all wrong. I thought it was about my complaints. Important notice of settlement conference. Settlement conference will now be conducted for all civil trials, in which more than 2 days have been requested. Those 2 days will be given to these cases on a monthly docket. The first date will be the settlement conference. The second date will be the trial date. Anyway, this is for motion day. I'm surprised because the other motion day, Judy Clembending wasn't there. This is going to be very interesting. So they have, see, this is confusing. This is very confusing. My God, they got March. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, I don't know what's going on. I'm not a lawyer. Mike, how you doing?
Charles, it's Bob.
How you doing, Bob?
I'm doing excellent. How are you?
Doing good. I'm doing a rant. You want to interview me?
Yeah, can I, can I take a picture? That's a nice picture.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Take a picture. Send it to me. Fans. We're not going to say who it is. Fans.
Get off my bike and do it.
That's all right. I don't mind. This is justice. So here we go. At the end, it turned up good. I have fans taking pictures in front of the justice. Hey, this is a good backdrop, huh?
No, it's perfect.
You should see it at night when it's all lights.
Yes, I know, I do.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Well, I live right there.
I do a rant and it's right dark. It's beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna pose for the fan. Won't say who it is. And next thing you know, we're gonna find out about justice. See if there's something that can be done. This is the lawsuit that the Fredericton police told my internet provider that I was exploiting children for sex. Mike O'Brien, the mayor, is going to justify in court that it was justified to label people on social assistance as pedophiles. So stay tuned. You want to have some fun? February 6th at 9:30 in the morning, and we're going to get to the bottom of this and find out what's going on. You have any other question? Email me, oldmazon@yahoo.com, old mazonhouse@yahoo.com. Truly stay tuned. Let's see if this government do fight for people with that's welfare bump. How did I do? How did I do?
I don't know. I think you did real good. I'm going to come over there.
Good, you gotta come over here. Okay, we'll talk to you later. Stay tuned.